Hello, it's me, 8-Bit Doge, and today is the first video science. Anyways, today we will be adventuring into the mysterious world of tacos via a taco cat.
I'm the best!
But we have to discuss something first. Ratios and percents are my favorite subject so far, as they have very neat formulas, so let's dive in. Well, I don't actually know what ratios are, so I Wikipedia and learned stuff. Ratios are a number to a number, like 2 cats to 5 tacos, and 1 blue doge to 3 yellow doge. If you say 2 pizzas to 4 pies, there is 2 pizzas in the pile of 2 pies, like fractions. Now you are probably wondering, how will this help me solve equations? Well, what is 1/3 of 42? We can solve that by using the fraction proportional method, or the FPM. If we can use a equal ratio template and fill in the blanks with what we know, we can isolate what we don't know using cross multiplication. If you cross multiply both sides, you must get a equal product if it's an equal ratio. We can manipulate this to our advantage and assume the other number is 42. Then we can divide the number by 3. Let's try something harder. What is 3/5 of 420? We can answer this using the same method. Well, now you know how to ratio. Let's move on to a more fun part of this unit. I'm back, and I'm here at Cedar Park Nuclear Power Plant to demonstrate what are percents, and they say I'm allowed to be here unless the nuclear factor reaches 40% or less. Let's get into the grub by saying what is 40% of 9001. We must know that a percent is a fraction of a 100, so we can exploit this in math. Using our good old FPM, we can calculate anything with at least a dataset of 2 numbers, whether it be a percent and a part, a whole and a part, or a whole and a percent. If you were super bored, like me, you could even try to figure out what the 100 of this equation is, which I don't see a lot of use. So now what is 40% of 9001? It is 3600.4. Now there is another way to calculate percentages, but you can Google that. But, we can travel back a unit into statistics, and we can use the FPM to make a simple pie chart. 20 people are surveyed what is the best fruit. 7 people say apples, 5 people say grapes, 6 people say bananas, and 2 people say grapefruit. We can then calculate the angles by once again, using FPM. Using this data, you can create a nice, accurate pie chart. So there you have it, now you know how to pie in ratio and percent. Now, what was that? Oh no, this is very bad, I'm too young to die.